Chapter 2. Earth, a unique planet. Earth, our home. Planet Earth is our home. It is blessed with natural gifts like mountains, plants, oceans, rivers, birds, animals, etc. Two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered with water and one-third is land. That is why Earth is known as the watery planet or the blue planet. Earth is not flat. Earlier, people thought that the Earth was flat and if they would travel from one side of the Earth they would fall from it. But all these thoughts proved to be a myth. There are many proofs that Earth is not flat as stated below with examples. Ferdinand Magellan, who started on a long sea journey from Spain in 1519. He sailed towards the west. He kept on sailing in the same direction. After about 3 years, he reached the same place from where he had started. This proves that the earth has no edges but is round like a ball. When ships sail far away, the bottom part disappears first, then the top. When astronauts go to space, they see Earth as a big, round ball. When you see the Earth from space in photos taken by astronauts, it looks like a round ball. During a lunar eclipse, Earth's shadow on the moon is always round, showing that Earth itself must be round. Actual shape of Earth. Observe the image carefully. Its shape is more like an orange, a bit flatter at the top and bottom. The top flat point is known as the North Pole and the bottom flat point is the South Pole. Also, notice that the middle of Earth bulges out a little. An imaginary line called the equator divides the Earth into two equal parts. While life is possible only on Earth, our Earth is the only planet where life is possible. It provides air, water and suitable temperature for all living things. Presence of air. The presence of air makes our Earth special. The layer of air that surrounds the Earth like a blanket is called the atmosphere. Suitable temperature. Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has suitable temperature that makes life possible. Presence of water. Water is another thing that all living things need. About 71% of Earth is covered with water, while the rest of it is land. Realms of the Earth. The Earth is a big place with different realms, or zones, that have their own special features and life. Lithosphere, land realm. This is where we live. The lithosphere is made up of land, like mountains, plains and deserts. It's where plants grow and animals live. People build cities and homes here, and we explore the land to find minerals and resources. Hydrosphere, water realm. The hydrosphere is all about water. It includes oceans, rivers, lakes, and even the water in the ground, groundwater. Oceans are the biggest part of the hydrosphere and cover most of the Earth's surface. They are home to many creatures like fish, whales and dolphins. Atmosphere, air realm. The atmosphere is a blanket of air that surrounds Earth. It's made up of gases like oxygen that we breathe, nitrogen, and others. The atmosphere helps control the weather and keeps us warm. Birds and aeroplanes fly in the atmosphere, and clouds form here too. Biosphere, life realm. The biosphere includes all living things on the Earth, from tiny bugs to big animals and plants. It's where life exists, and it interacts with all the other realms. People, animals, and plants depend on each other in the biosphere to survive. These realms work together to create Earth's environment, making our planet a special place where life thrives in many different ways. Movements of the Earth. Earth has two movements, namely, rotation and revolution. Rotation refers to the spinning of Earth on its own axis, like a top spinning on a nail. It takes 24 hours or 1 day for the Earth to make one rotation on its axis. As the Earth rotates, it also moves. Earth moves around the Sun along a fixed orbit. It causes day and night. This movement is called the revolution. It takes 365 and a quarter days for Earth to complete one revolution. It causes seasons.